Good luck in this pop culture Funko rip. I wonder what's going to happen next for us. Well, we're going to get some Funkos, I know that, but what are they going to be? Here we go 7 times through the randomizer for our owner names list. We're going to get a random list of characters as well. A lot of times the pop culture Funko won't even be on the character checklist. And so we'll find out what will happen for us. In the last one, I think we had a Pac-Man and some other spooky character. Okay, here's lucky number 7. And it was actually a Pac-Man and a rare limited edition one. It came out. We're looking for more of these rare Comic-Con exclusives. We're looking for some of the rare exclusives from all kinds of different rare venues where they've been released at. Some of these can be really hard to find. Yeah, it was some kind of creature from a book, sea creature. 7 times through. It reminded me of somebody from Pirates of the Caribbean, but it wasn't from Pirates of the Caribbean. It was a different sea creature, spooky sea creature. All right, so here we go with the lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. Who's going to get Luke Skywalker? That's my prediction. I am feeling a Luke Skywalker. I'm sticking with it. I'm feeling a Luke. I'm feeling the Force right now. Elvira, Mistress of the Night. It could be anybody. It could be anybody. Is there a trade going on or anything happening as far as trades go? We're about to unleash this first item out of the rip. Oh, interesting, Eric. Interesting. All right. Dr. Octopus is up for trade. Dr. Oxspot. That's also a Doctor Strange. So there's a new movie. There's a new Doctor Strange movie out on theaters. I thought it was pretty good. I went to the theater and saw it. I thought it was a pretty good movie. That's actually a popular spot. It's not a bad place to get. Femix. What is? Let me see. Marcus Phoenix. I got you. Marcus Phoenix. JD Phoenix, Locust Drone. Those are from a video game, a very popular video game. Yeah, the Phoenix spot. And that's a big one for any gamers looking for character Funkos associated with that video game. I think that's Gears of War. Isn't that the new Gears of War? Like the father and son, the Phoenixes. That's what that is. All right, so final opportunity for any trades. Good luck. Okay, MC's like, yeah, sure. Let's do it. Let's get a confirm. If I can get a confirm on the trade, then I'll swap it through. I want to make sure we've got everything. I believe it's Phoenix for Dr. Octopus spot. Confirm on Phoenix for Dr. Ock's spot. And that's actually both of them. It's the whole spot for the Phoenix spot. Touchdown Kansas City. Tyreek Hill. I knew he was going to score one tonight. He is, is a big player for Kansas City. I knew he was going to score a touchdown. I should have bet money on it. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's rip the first item out of the break. If no one's making a move on Cena, is there any move on Cena? No one's going to come running in from the side. All right, well that's fine. Let's go ahead and rip it. No surprises. Okay, Okay. What is this? Who is it? It looks like an exclusive. It's going to be some kind of an exclusive. Do you see it? That's some kind of summer. What is it? Is it Iron Man? It's a Superman. Oh. What does this say on his chest? Oh my gosh. It's like a graffiti. It's like the statue. That's like a statue. It's been graffitied. In the Batman versus Superman saga. Well, who has Superman? Anybody? I don't know if anybody has him. Gonna go to random. That's a summer convention exclusive. Go to random. Cool about these is they come in a protective case that we made here at FPB. We put it in there. Because these, when you see these in the store, they don't come boxed like this. We made these special for everybody. All right, so the next hit is... What is it? Who is it? Snake Eyes. Yo Joe. This is G.I. Joe. Popular from the 1980s. And I don't think they still have a running cartoon. I think they're just mainly from the 80s. I don't think anybody has Snake Eyes. No, that is not owned either. We're going to do a random. We're going to put the exclusive up at number 1. This is the G.I. Joe Funko of Snake Eyes. Okay, you're right. With the movies, he has more popularity, perhaps now. With the new movies, you're right. I didn't think of that. All right, so this is going to be designated number 1. This is going to be designated number 2. Good luck, everybody. We're going to do a quick random for these. Nice. I really like G.I. Joe. I'm a fan. I have some G.I. Joe comic books from back in the day, collectibles. All right, here we go. 7 times. Winners at the top of the list. Number 1 is going to be for the Superman. Number 2 is going to be for the Snake Eyes. After 7 times through. Good luck. Six. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. DB swept it. Oh, DB just swept the break with 1 and 2. Nice going, DB. Congratulations. Ho! That's not the first sweep you've had. You've swept these before, but that's pretty nice, man. Way to go. Got the Snake Eyes. This was cool. There was some pretty nice ones that round. All right, so we're getting ready for a box break of Signature Series, right? Where did Signature Series go? We got that around. You'll see this coming up. We got some cool things happening. Here it is right here. Boom. On the left side, you'll see the teams available in Signature Series. The mystery break, where everything's graded at a 9.5 or better in baseball.